Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It is so good to see you. In this one, we're going to continue the raw build of the BMW R80 by installing the new YSS rear shocks. But before we start, I have two announcements to make. First, we're moving from the well-temperatured boiler room that is actually pretty nice, but has this annoying background noise to... Come in. Welcome to the shed, literally. I know, it's a bit chaotic, but if you don't look too closely, we can all get away with quite some chaos. Alright, on to the second announcement. I have a new project in mind, and this is the first part of it. It was pouring rain the last days, so this package is just soaked. I hope this is not one of the box in a box in a box in a box and then nothing tricks. And I had just cleaned up so well. Story of my life. I'm gonna put together a very professional, not at all improvised, trust me on that one, Cerakoting setup. And this barrel will become the sandblasting cabinet. But more on that in a future video, because I guess you're here for the YSS shocks. Let's go. Alright guys, I've used the past day to clean out the shed. There was so much stuff in here. Here we are, the bike is in here and I am super happy with the result. Now we can have a look at these rear shocks. That was easy. All right, let's see if the new YSS shocks fit. I mean, if they fit on as easy as those came off, then this is going to be a very short video. I think there's no left or right shock. I mean, they look the same. I guess you should be able to read it. So this one goes on like that, you can read the sticker, and if that one goes on like this, you can also read the sticker. So maybe if they were smart, then we can be smart. Nice. I mean, that is so easy. The holes don't line up, so I guess we have to take out the other one, then hope that the rear frame drops. I mean, at least that should be the case, and then we can mount both of them at the same time. So if it doesn't come out right away, it might be helpful to kind of compress it a little bit, and then the screw shouldn't be under that much tension. So now the bottom one. There we go. Nice. You know, one thing that I want to show you, these are actually adjustable, and you can do that by using this little handle thing and just move it to the side. Now it is not as stiff as before. Such a genius design. I mean, this is so easy to use. You can switch it while being on the road. If you pick someone up, you just go ahead and move it from here to here and you're ready to go. Right, but now let's go ahead, switch this one out. Super happy with that one. Right, so what I think what we need to do next is compress the bike. There we go. Whew! So nice. They look so good. Super happy. Can't really say anything performance-wise, but so far so good. So one thing that is super nice about the YSS shocks is that they are almost as easily adjustable as the old BMW ones. So it comes with an Allen key and just this little rod. So let me show you how this works. Here are these little safety screws that you can loosen with the Allen key. And then you can put this rod in here and adjust the tension of the spring. I mean, how easy is that? So I'm gonna put both of them in the board toolbox and then they're always ready to go. All right, rear shocks are installed. They look so good. And compared to the exhaust struggle, this was actually quite a surprise that they went on so easily. I mean, they're really straightforward, plug and play, super easy to install. Can't say a lot about the handling yet, so I'm gonna keep you updated on that one. And yeah, apart from that, I am super happy with how they look. What I'm also happy with is that we're already at 100 subscribers. I didn't think that we would reach 100 so quickly. Yeah, I'm really blown away by your support and all your comments. Like seeing your comments on the first videos that I've posted means so much to me. I really enjoy reading about all your projects, and then your tips help me out a lot. I really appreciate those. And before I see you in the next one, please enjoy the looks of the new YSS rear shocks. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're one of the first 100 subscribers, then a huge thank you to you personally. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next one.